guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alva, and if you guys are not new here, you guys are coming back, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing, but it's something that I'm super excited for because I haven't done something like this in a really long time, and that is a FabFitFun box. I'm going to be unboxing their seasonal spring box for 2019. I haven't had a FabFitFun box in a pretty long time, and I'm actually really excited because I feel like a lot of things I probably will be able to use on a trip that I have coming up. So this video is in partnership with FabFitFun, and what they basically are, or the type of service that they offer, the type of products that they offer, is they are a subscription-based box, but it is seasonal, so it is not monthly like other subscriptions out there, and you get full-size products, and they're not only beauty products, so you get fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle as well, and everything comes out to $49.99. So you're getting a lot of big items that aren't only like makeup things here and there, but they cover like 4 wide range of genres or topics, genres, categories. There we go, categories. So this box comes out 4 times a year only, so it's not like it's all the time, you know what I mean? You're not going to be charged $50 like every month, if that makes sense. And the box does have a value of over $200, so you could get $10 off your first box using code ALVA10. I'll go ahead and write it here, and I will list all the links down below in my description bar. And they now let you customize some of the items so that you could try and cater it as much as you can to your personal taste. Sign up now so that you don't miss out on certain items that they have that you might like more. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, so this is the magazine that you get as soon as you open the box, and it has one of the Williams sisters. It is Venus, which I probably want to read about. I've actually been into reading lately, don't drag me, but... So they basically have everything that's in the box, obviously kind of summarized into here, and they kind of give you a little bit of an article with Venus Williams, and they also give you some of the, like, some information or background on the products that you will be getting or that they will be having. So it's a nice little, it's like, you know how sometimes you get like a card in like another subscription box that tells you what products you have? This is basically a little mini magazine, which is really cute. Oh, okay, so I'm sure you guys have heard of HelloFresh, or maybe you haven't. I've heard of them so much. I just feel like they're always in lifestyle videos, which isn't a bad thing. I actually haven't tried them, and I was meaning to, but I didn't do it, so I want to now. So basically what HelloFresh is, it's like a subscription, or kind of like a shopping online thing for food, where you don't get the food necessarily delivered to you. You get the ingredients to create the food delivered to you. So it helps you cook more meals at home, but they provide you with like the recipe and like with the ingredients that you need. Choose from 15 recipes, make homemade meals, and enjoy cooking. So this is a $50 gift card, which is pretty good. Like that's a lot of money for food. So I feel like you would be able to get probably a few meals with this amount. I'm gonna probably do that after I come back. And I actually haven't been in the kitchen lately. I'm so ashamed to admit, I've been eating a lot of fast food lately. I've been keeping my calories, like, you know, where they need to be, but I definitely want to start eating healthier. Next item. So this is a Lavido aromatic body lotion. I'm really bad at pronouncing some words, you guys, so I'm sorry. I know it kind of grinds some people's gears. Okay, here we go. Oh, that smells really nice and clean. So this is the body lotion. And I like that it isn't, oh, that feels nice. I like that it isn't in a big, oh, it has a lemony after scent. Like when you smell it out the bottle, it doesn't smell, it smells like clean lotion, but then when you apply it, it hits you with the scent. And it's so fresh. Oh, I love citrusy, lemony like smells. So that's citrusy, right? Oh, you know what it reminds me of? You guys know Limoncello, the lemon candle from Bath and Body Works? It's basically that in like lotion form. Mandarin orange and bergamot for, yeah, citrus for all skin types. Ew, it just feels really good. And I want to get you guys the price for that lotion is $20. So, and you would either get that, or you could see here that they do have copper plated measuring spoons that you could use in your kitchen. So you could pick between like 2 items if you were to customize your own box, or you could do a mystery item that would be worth $20. That's actually really cool because, like, for me, I probably would have chosen the lotion because I love lotion, and I always, like, not to sound conceited, I always get a lot of girlies asking me, like, how I have, or how I looks like I have soft skin, and not to, like, to my own horn, but I think I do have soft skin, and I think one of the reasons is I'm always using lotion, and I'm, like, kind of picky about my lotion too, so I would have probably picked the lotion. But if you like to cook and if you're often in your kitchen, you probably would want to choose the really nice copper-plated measuring spoons. Ooh, water bottle. I love water bottles. So this is a water bottle, and it is by the company Swell. Sip by Swell. It smells good, actually. It looks like this. It's actually really pretty. So they do have an article on Swell products in the back that explain it, but I did not really see a price tag. But this basically looks like kind of like a hydro flask, so something that will keep your water really cold, and it's actually really pretty because it's white. Even though I like these makeup and stuff, these are really easy to clean. You just have to wipe it down and you're good, rather than, like, you know, different type of water bottles that you'll be able to see fingerprints on and everything. So this is a really nice water bottle, and that's actually like a nice little attribute. Next, we have this Show Me Your Mumu. Ooh, and it is a robe. I'm actually so excited for this. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, so this is a really nice, comfortable robe. This is what I really like FabFitFun, because the items that they give you, they're not like, you know, regular makeup items. It's actually so cute. Ay. I'm gonna wear it, actually. You know what? I have something to say. You know what I like about this robe? That it's not like a warm robe. I have warm robes, but sometimes, and I like being hot, okay? But sometimes it's just, they're too warm. Like, I have a really oversized Victoria's Secret robe that has, like, you know, the puff and the fur in the inside. And oh my god, I love it actually, but sometimes it's too warm, especially like when I have the heater on and stuff, which I think that will turn your heater off, but then I'm just too cold. And that robe, wow, that robe is $84, so that is very expensive. And it feels really good, like luxurious. And you could get, like, let's say you didn't want that, you could get a really, like, luxe backpack. That's $75, or you could get a meditation aromatherapy diffuser. Ooh, that would have hit. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, next. Ooh, a jump rope. So this is, oh, it's in collaboration with Venus Williams, and this is her jump rope. Let's go ahead and open it up. And I don't know if they have the price on that in here, but it's really nice that they're collaborating with someone like Venus, who's just, like, aside from being, like, an iconic person in sports, I feel like, along with her sister, of course, but she's, like, a woman of color, so it's nice that they're collaborating with, like, women-owned companies, especially, like, women of color, and, like, independent new startup companies that you probably have not heard about. Personally, I really appreciate that. So this is the jump rope. Ooh, it actually feels, like, easy. It's kind of like a regular jump rope, but the handles are nice and soft. They have good grip. And let's read about it. So Venus Williams is the first African-American tennis star to be ranked #1 in the world. So created by Venus, 11 is a lifestyle brand for fashion-forward activewear and accessories. So this is just one of the things of her entire line, the jump rope. Thank you so much. Next, let's open up these sunglasses that I'm very excited for. These are Quay, I think. Yes, Quay sunglasses. And here, if you did not want the Quay sunglasses, I forget it's Quay, you could have gotten a picnic set in Malibu, which is just really pretty. So this is kind of like the options that you could pick. You could customize your own box, and you could kind of pick what you want in your box, which is nice. If you're a big beauty girl, you could easily, everything in here, you can make it beauty, because in almost everything they have something that's beauty. So if you're, I mean, I know makeup is like ginormous and people love it, so you could easily get almost everything be beauty except for maybe like one item. Personally, I would have gotten sunglasses too. They're aviators, by the way. I don't want to get them dirty with my little nasty fingers. Oh, I don't know how actually, kind of hits. Oh, that looks cute. Hey guys. Ooh, I like live for black pair of sunglasses. Because you know when I wear sunglasses the most, I actually really like seeing things for like their color. But when I'm hungover, like 100%, or when I don't have makeup on and I look super busted and I'm going somewhere, sunglasses. Hungover sunglasses. These are $60. So they're expensive. They're literally more expensive than the entire box. This is a scrub and it looks like this. And I'm gonna poke a hole through the foil. Oh, that smells really good. I don't want to like make a mess. But it is a body scrub. Oh! The texture in that is everything. It's like not super harsh, but it's like gritty, but it's not like rocky. Ooh, you know what? Again, I'm really into body stuff, like a lot. So this is gonna hit. I feel like I'm really gonna like this, cause the the consistency, the texture, the flavor is just, it's nice. Can you guys see it? It's almost like slime. Oh, it literally is like slime. Like, yo, that kind of tastes good. Is that nasty? I have like a weird thing for really crunchy, salty, like sand tasting stuff. I don't know, it sounds nasty, but I don't know what it is. I'm not like, don't worry, I'm not like on my weird addiction or anything like that. I know to not eat it, but like if I was, if we all had like a weird thing that we would be addicted to, that would be my thing. Okay, that being said, that is $24, and if you guys are curious about the name, it is called the Mana Kadar I don't know, I'll write it here. Champagne body scrub, and it is $24. I have 2 items left. Okay, I have this. This is the No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt. And it is an eye depuffing gel. It actually works really nice. I have one in my makeup room. This is gonna be like my bathroom one. Or I'll probably use it for a giveaway because I do use this pretty often and I go through it. It smells medicine-y though, but it works. Okay, and that is expensive. That's $42. This eye cream, I'm telling ya. Oh, okay, I'm so excited for this because this is my first Quay hair care item. This is their leave-in conditioner. Okay. Okay, let's see the price on this. I know their shit is expensive. $26, that's not bad actually, but this is the first item that I have, and I believe this is Jen Atkins' line, one of the Kardashians' hairstylists. With Quay, obsessed with this multitasking leave-in conditioner. I sound so Mexican. It works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhance heat protection. So I have brunette dark hair now. This is a wig from Freedom Couture. So the reason why I have this on right now is because my hair isn't like super damaged, but it's not the greatest condition either. So I need to start taking care of it more, basically, is what my hairstylist told me to. So I'm going to be using this on my hair, and I was actually just talking to one of my friends about this brand, and he's like, do you have any of their stuff? And I was like, no, but I know people rave about it. So definitely, I do think that was the end of this box. I have a mess down here, and this is what the box looks like now. But I definitely think this box is so worth it. Like, you get all of these products. The water bottle, the body lotion, the Quay leave-in conditioner, the body scrub, the Quay sunglasses, Quay hair product, my bad. The Dr. Brandt eye cream, which is expensive. Literally the $50 gift card for HelloFresh. The robe, I think the robe is my favorite, to be honest. The robe. And a jump rope, so you can work out. So that is my conclusion of FabFitFun. I'll go ahead and leave the links down below. Let me know what was your guys' favorite thing from this unboxing or something that you guys would want to have. I think it's a really good bang for your buck, especially since you're getting like not only like you know, full-size items where you're getting a variety of stuff. Okay guys, so that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, my code is Alva10 if you guys want to use it and save $10 on your first box. And remember that if you do sign up, you could customize it, so make sure to pick out things that you would like more. And that concludes this video. I hope you guys have a nice day or night wherever